Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Ukonrat ki sangma hagasngi palei ula Pyllait Paidbah Ïaki Thymmai nak benta ki Pulit ha police officer Mas Kafling Shillong nak benta ban pen klan ya jing pen kre ya jing pen trekam ya kali habran kam haganu nu por nak benta ban ai Jingshakri ki Paidbah da ki Pulit ha ki por Kyrkieh ka DGP ka kong ida shisha nongrang ki he sarkar balakham rangba ki Pulit officer bat ki Pulit naga Meghalaya police kila don lang dekat hari ni program. Kini ki kali Thymmai ki kentup arpau teli ki kali Maruti Jimmy, khat khandai teli ki Tata truck, san teli ki Mahindra truck barit, khat khandai teli ki bus kit Pulit ke bangyam arpau ngut, shipau teli ki bus bangyam arpau sangut ki Pulit, pra teli ki bus bangyam laipu hendrengut ki Pulit, bat pra teli ki Tata Yodha nakabenta ki CID. Kajinglot nakabenta kini ki kali kalong laipu klur tingka, Lakmi lenti bakine kini arab haganukun ko por badan kam lah ki por badan ki jingja Kyrkieh kenang ban Pynsted dia gajing trekam ki Pulit. Habakran hakani kasngi ukanrat ulaong bagajing penne eki an ki hukum kane beteng bat kanong ke badan kam tam nak benta ka sarkar ban Kyrkieh bat ula pen pau ki jing angnut ka sarkar nak benta ban pen klan ki Pulit bat ban beteng ban bei tingka nak benta ki jing pen kala ki babun. Ula pen pau bagajing perkhat jong ka sarkar halor ka jing pen kala Thymmai ki Pulit kadang long kemat bakong santam bat ula pen pau ki jing pen kala kum ka police reserve fund ka balami na jing ajing mut bala ai da ki officer ha ka Kedan district haba pen pau ki jing persyang bantung kam Menteri Rangba Kajila ulaong bala thung palat lai hajar ngut ki brio hakikam ki bala thli la slam ha ka ba pen ia ka jing angnut jong ka sarkar ban pentikna ya ka bor Pulit ka babyang bal ka jing kershan ya ka tanat Pulit habede ba ka jing pendrong ki kali Thymmai ulaong ba ka jing thu kan kan tiaw shibun ya ka bor trekam jong ki Pulit Meghalaya bat kan pen klan ya ka jing don jong ki Pulit om tang ha ki jaka sor henrei wat ha ki jaka ba kham don jingma lingba ka jing pen phai ki thanat Pulit ki outpost bat ki border outpost habakran halor ki kendrum kendram badang shan halabangap West China Hills Menteri Rangba ulai ka jingaro e ka tanat Pulit kablala ban penne e ka shong suk shong san kadba ka sarkar kadang ibeteng ni ka Jingshakri bat ka Assam bat kinoy shimenta halor ka kam khaput habdeng kini ki jila ulai khublei ru e ka DGP bat ya ka kinhun Pulit barok ka wei na ka benta ka jing ai tilut ka jinglong nong yalam bat ka jing shim khia jongki ban penne pensa ya ka suk ka san ha ka leng ka jila
Thymmai, आपका सलमान गब्बर हास MLB बटन का एक ABSI अडारेंग 18 आपका सलमान गब्बर हाजिर है Thymmai, जय Thymmai। सलमान गार्ड Pynsuk
that in the overall governance process and in ensuring that our state moves in the right direction, maintenance of law and order is maybe one of the most important aspects of governance. With that thought process and objective in mind, it has been the endeavor of our government to ensure that not just in our words, but in our actions also, we give importance to maintaining law and order and to ensure that investment in the police force and the overall improvement of the police department has been one of the utmost priority of our government. With small reforms like the PRF, which is something that started with suggestions that came from officials at the district level, has turned into a major reform at the grassroots level, where today the infrastructures which were mostly in dilapidated conditions are now being renovated, and most importantly, the delegation of the authority and the power to execute these different reforms and the renovations have been given to the respective SPs and commanders. The recruitment of more than 3,000 personnel, posts that were lying vacant for many years, again reflects the commitment that we as a government have towards ensuring that law and order is maintained in our state, and all the support that is required is given to the maximum possibility to our police force. Earlier also we had improved the overall vehicle stock that is available and transportation modes available to the police force. We had augmented it a couple of years back, and here we are today again to further augment the facilities and the transportation which is very much required at the grassroots level to our forces. Again, a reflection of the commitment that this government has towards ensuring that we are able to improve the overall law and order situation at the grassroots level. We have also ensured that different outposts, different police stations, different border outposts, wherever possible, have been strengthened, infrastructures have been created, and the presence of our police force is felt not just in Shillong city or in the headquarters, but also in the interior locations. Even yesterday, we are aware that there was a lot of tension that took place in the Lapangapok area in West Gentia Hills. And some of the concerned farmers had come to Shillong, to Secretariat, to address their concerns. The police force was present. At the same time, our Honorable Deputy CM had met them, and together we were able to find a solution where we are able to now discuss with our counterparts across the state border and find a positive way and a solution and a way forward to find a possible solution to this problem that we are facing. As you're aware, the police force has agreed, and SF-10 forces will be placed in this location, which will give confidence to our people. At the same time, Honorable Deputy CM and myself will be taking up the matter with the Assam government, and we are very hopeful that, like in previous years, that we will be able to find a solution to this very, very complicated problem. And as you're aware that government of Meghalaya, in fact, our government has been very, very proactive in trying to find a solution to this problem, where 6 locations have already been resolved. And now that the new government has been formed in Assam, we will continue our talks to find a solution for the other locations also. And in all of these activities, in all of these situations, the presence of the police force is very, very necessary. But while the police force is present, we also have to realize, and we also have to maintain a lot of restraint, because the situations are very, very complex. And hence, these are different situations and difficult situations that we face, but our police force has been successful in maintaining law and order, and at the same time being very, very careful not to aggravate the situation. And balancing these two facts is sometimes one of the most difficult situations that the police force faces. But today's program, though a very small program, as we are all aware, is a very meaningful and very important step towards further improving the overall logistics and transport capability at the grassroots level. And I'm sure that this particular enhancement in the vehicles will go a long way in ensuring that our officials are able to work in a much more effective manner at the grassroots level. Almost close to 95 vehicles costing us about 30 crores has been implemented. And as I said, that our commitment remains, and we will continue to support our police force in their endeavor to serve the people of our state. To conclude, I must congratulate our DG for all the efforts that have been put in from her end and from the team to ensure that law and order is maintained in the state. Our motivation of our police force is always high, and ensuring that reforms continue to be done at different levels to ensure that the overall force and the improvement in the overall functioning is always seen. I also would like to congratulate all of you who are present out here for your dedicated service. I would like to thank you for your dedicated service to the state and to the people. It is because of the hard work, the commitment, and the sacrifice that is made by each and every one of you and your team that our state remains safe